Okay, so for practice problem 1, we need to find the measure of each angle. And remember, there's only 2 angle measures in this whole thing, okay? They gave us 115, so we're just going to subtract from 180. So the other angle is 65 degrees. So the only angles here are going to be 115 or 65. So I'm going to start with all the angles that are 115 degrees. So I'm going to start with the vertical angle. That's 115. Then I'm going to go to the alternate interior. That's 115. Then I'm going to go to the corresponding. That's 115. The rest of the angles are 65 degrees. So now I can just fill them in. 4 of them are 65 degrees. 4 of them are 115 degrees. Angle 1 is 65 degrees. And angle 2 is also 65 degrees. Because what's their angle relationship? They are corresponding, so they are also going to be congruent. Try out number 2, see how you did.